Plenty of parents swear that swaddling is key for soothing their newborns. But if it doesn't seem to be working for baby, you might be wondering whether it's absolutely necessary. The truth is, not all babies like to be swaddled. Some babies seem to find swaddles restrictive and will try to fight their way free every time. So if getting wrapped up makes your little one more crazed than calm, you don't have to do it. Before giving up completely though, you might want to experiment with some alternatives. If your baby seems to want her arms out, try leaving her arms out of the swaddle blanket. The extra freedom might make swaddling more appealing to her. Arms in or out are fine and not shown to increase the risk of SIDS. Got a little one who loves to kick? She might do better with a Velcro tab swaddle. They're harder to kick off, and some secure babies' arms with swaddle wings. Or try a zip-up cocoon or sleep sack swaddle hybrid, which can allow for more leg movement. You might have to try a few different swaddles to find the one your baby likes best, but once you do, stock up on a few so you have extras on hand. But if none seem to be the right fit, it's okay to skip the practice entirely. There's no need to force your baby into a swaddle if she doesn't like it. Swaddling can be good for some newborns, but it's dangerous for older babies who can break free from their blankets. Being wrapped up can interfere with healthy development for older babies too, since it can prevent them from practicing age-appropriate motor skills. You'll want to quit once your little one becomes more active and starts to try to roll over. Many doctors will advise stopping at 2 months of age, since that's when some babies begin to attempt rolling. Other babies may not roll over until around 3 or 4 months. Even after your baby grows out of swaddling though, she's still too young to sleep with a blanket. To keep her cozy while continuing to stick with safe sleep guidelines, try a sleep sack. These wearable blankets add an extra layer of warmth, and some come with features designed to help babies transition away from their swaddles more comfortably. Nanny has been wrapping their babies to sleep for ages, and with so many opportunities to practice, you'll be able to perfect your technique too. Chances are you'll become a swaddling expert in no time. But if you're feeling unsure, ask baby's pediatrician to check your swaddle skills and share some helpful pointers if you aren't getting it quite right.